In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Jobber. Whether you're completely new to Jobber or just need a little refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it as seamless as possible. So, let's dive in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and search for Jobber. Once you've landed on the Jobber website, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't already have an account, no worries. Just take a few moments to sign up. The sign-up process is straightforward, requiring some basic information to get you started. Once you're logged in, it's time to create a task. You have flexibility here, as Jobber allows you to initiate the task creation from several different locations within the platform. You could do it from the schedule, directly within a client's profile, or straight from the dashboard. Choose whichever location is most convenient for your workflow. Now, look to the top right corner of your chosen section, and you'll find a button labeled More Actions. Go ahead and click that. This button serves as a gateway to various functionalities, making your navigation experience much smoother. After clicking More Actions, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the Task option. This selection tells Jobber that you're ready to dive into the specifics of task creation, setting the stage for your organizational prowess. Now comes the important part, filling in the task details. The more specific you are here, the more smoothly your tasks will run. Enter the client's name to ensure the task is linked to the appropriate individual or company. Input a clear and concise title that will help you and your team understand the essence of the task at a glance. The Details section is your opportunity to elaborate. Include any instructions or pertinent information that might be required for the successful completion of the task. Scheduling is your next stop. Here, decide when the task should be completed and on which date. Proper scheduling helps keep everyone on track. Once you've set the schedule, assign the task to the appropriate team member. This ensures that the responsibility is clearly designated, allowing the assignee to prepare accordingly. To keep everything running smoothly, utilize the feature that allows you to set a team reminder. This will alert your team members and keep them informed of approaching tasks. You can even notify your crew by email, which is a handy way to ensure that everyone is in the loop without any jump in communication gaps. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields and double-checked everything for accuracy, it's time for the final step. Save your task by clicking the Save button. This action locks in all your inputs, making the task official and ready for execution. And there you have it. You've successfully created a task in Jobber, paving the way for better organization and productivity within your team. Whether you're scheduling for today or planning for the future, you now have the tools to do it efficiently. Thanks for following along, and happy task managing.